There is nothing better than the aroma of brewing coffee in the morning. May it be in your own favorite spot or in the co-working space with that feel-good music in the background. And after that hectic work week, clear your head from distraction without the need of going elsewhere. Just relax your body and mind in the calming ambience brought by the greeneries and open landscape areas. Breathe in the morning dew on the grass covers and landscaped areas. How about date nights with friends at the rooftop deck? Savor those moments with a lovely view of night skies and the cityscape. And before the day ends, inhale that perfect blend of fragrances to help you get a good night's sleep. In here, you'll find peace and serenity. This unique flavor of city and nature is perfectly made for you. Rising soon in Tandang, Sora, Quezon City.